Yo, hey guys, what is up? It's JJ Tech here, back again for another video, and today I've got you an unboxing of some AirPods. Psych, got you on that one. These are these sharper image kind of AirPod clones, I guess you could say, but they're called the sharper image true wireless earbuds, aka AirPods. But before we get started on today's video, I know I haven't been uploading these past 2 weeks, and that's because, because of the holidays. I thought that, take a break for a little bit, get with the family and stuff. That is why I haven't been uploading these past couple of weeks, or this holiday week actually. Haven't been uploading is because of that, not because I'm going away from YouTube, of course not. That is not gonna happen, only because I thought that, take a little bit of a break, spend time with the family, just take a little break from the YouTube stuff for a little bit. But like I said, today I've got you a brand new video on some new headphones. Some headphones I've never really had on the channel like this. As you know, these are basically, I guess you could say, AirPod clones. Not directly, but you'll see in a minute when I crack this thing open. So before I actually get started, I know I say that a bunch, but before we actually get started, I did a little poll on Instagram asking you guys whether you guys want to see more tech for 2020 or more gaming stuff for 2020. And 67% of you voted more gaming, and about 35% of you voted more tech. Now keep in mind, I only have 10 followers on Instagram, so it's not even the majority of my YouTube subscribers. So that's what I'm gonna ask here, you guys on YouTube. Vote up here in the iCard, and I'm gonna ask you, what do you guys want to see, more tech or more gaming for 2020? Let me know in the iCard, because I definitely want your guys' feedback. The reason I want your guys' feedback is because, I want to keep you guys on the channel. I want to keep you guys entertained, not just, have the same stuff on the channel every single day. I want to, ask you guys what you guys want to see more, whether it's more tech, more gaming, or anything else. You guys probably don't know this, but I like car stuff a lot as well, just as much as I love tech. So if you guys would like me to do some car stuff as well, also let me know up here in the iCard. But now let's actually get into today's video. Alrighty, so as you can see here, the box is pretty nice. As you can see here, pretty decent box, and I will tell the price at the end of this video, just letting you guys know. And also letting you guys know, these are not mine. These are actually one of my family members, so obviously I can't really do crazy testing like if these were mine, but I'll definitely have that review ready for you guys. Alright, so let's crack this thing open. Alright, so as you can see here, let's open this thing up. You're presented with like a clear plastic thing over it, and as you can see here, pretty nice. It's like a magnet type deal here, and it tells you all the stuff it has. It's Bluetooth, obviously, easy pairing, built-in mic, superb sound, and up to 3 hours of talk and play. So let's open this thing up. Alrighty, so when you do take out the case and the pods here, you are revealed with the little micro USB charging cable here, as well as some replaceable ear tips if you have larger ears or you just lose one. And then you also have your boring user manuals, how to use them and stuff, safety, all that boring stuff. You probably won't need, but you're definitely gonna need the micro USB charger. But this thing seems pretty flimsy, but I'll reveal the price at the end of the video. Alrighty, so these little things right here that look like AirPods, as you can see here, these actually look more like AirPods Pro than the original AirPods, just because, as you know, the AirPods Pro now has like this gel tip on it, unlike the Apple EarPods, the first generation, which did not have the gel tip. So yeah, let's put these aside and let's check out the case, which I'm most interested for. So as you can see, this is the case. Looks just like an Apple AirPods case here, not the Pro, but the AirPods first gen. And obviously these, you can tell, it's just a much thicker case here. As you can see here, it's pocketable. I did try it, and it is pocketable. Now it does feel a little bit bulkier than something like actual AirPods. This thing is definitely pocketable. As you can see here, definitely a nice case. As you can see at the bottom here, we do have the micro USB charging port, as well as the little LED light and a button down here, I guess. So opening this up, it is not a magnet is what I noticed. It's just a little latch that latches into place, so it's not a satisfying click like you would be able to do with AirPods. So you can see, opening it up, pretty simple. And what I did notice is, I'm not sure if you can tell, but on the bottom of the actual pods here, the earbuds, you can see that it's not like the actual AirPods, the real ones, where you just slide it in and it charges by a magnet. But I'm not sure if you guys can tell either down here, but basically it's just like charging a phone. You literally just snap these into place here. You literally just snap these into place, and you really have to push on it. When you hear that actual click, you really have to push on it. So when you hear that click, that lets you know that it's actually charging, because it basically just connects by a micro USB port, as you can see here. So it's pretty straightforward, nothing fancy. But yet again, you guys can judge them after I let you guys know how the price is. So you can see here, pretty simple to just slide in the AirPods here. Like I said, you really have to push down on these things to really make sure that these are actually in place and that they're charging, as you can see here. But overall, still really lightweight, even with the AirPods inside the case. So like it says, 3 hours of play time, pretty decent time. Like I said, nothing too crazy, but obviously no crazy materials on this thing. You know, it's just basically all plastic. And what I noticed is that you do really have to put some muscle into these things when taking it out. But let me just slap these things on here. Let's just slap these things on. This one's sliding out. So yeah, what do you think? So far, these things are looking pretty good on me. They don't look too obnoxiously big, but compared to AirPods, and yes, I have tried AirPods, and these are much bigger, definitely, of course. Not sure if you can see, but these are definitely much bigger, obviously, than actual AirPods. And they do noise cancellate pretty well when you put these in. It does isolate you very well from the outside world. And then you also have some little LED lights on the AirPods themselves to let you know if this thing is charging, and they also double as a button. So I guess, like I said, you'll have to wait until the review so I can actually test all these things out. But yeah, today was just the unboxing video. So yeah guys, today was just the unboxing video. I will be coming out with a full review on these AirPod clones here, these Sharper Image wireless earbuds. So yeah, just a quick unboxing of the Sharper Image AirPod clones here. And like I said, the price on these things are 20 bucks. Yes guys, 20 bucks. And I will put up the Amazon link. See if you guys can find this thing on Amazon. I'll check myself. But my family member says they got these at Burlington for 20 bucks. Now that's a deal for sure. For what you're getting, you know, like I said, pretty decently good AirPods here. For what you're getting for 20 bucks, that's a pretty good deal. But yeah guys, definitely vote up here in the iCard like I had said earlier to see what you guys want to see for 2020. But yeah guys, also follow me on Instagram at JJTech123 so you can stay updated whenever I upload a brand new video. But just like that, this video's over. Peace out.